Fujifilm recently announced the date for the next XSummit. This has resulted in an increase in expectations for new Fuji cameras, and in today's video, we'll go through all the probable changes or updates that might be revealed during the XSummit 2023 event. Well, only 3 months have passed since Fujifilm's previous XSummit event in Bangkok, Thailand. During that event, they have unveiled various new products including the Fujifilm XS20 camera and the Fujinon XF8mm f3.5 RWR ultra-wide prime lens. However, Fujifilm had more plans for this year. In a video released on August 14th, Yuji Igarashi, the general manager of Fujifilm's electronic imaging division, shared that the upcoming XSummit is scheduled for September 12th in Stockholm, Sweden. Following this, there will be a Fuji Kino festival on September 13th, offering attendees the opportunity to try out the latest equipment, attend seminars, and participate in workshops conducted by professional photographers and videographers. In today's competitive online marketplace, it's important to stand out from the crowd, and that's where Product Video Studio comes in. From a team of creative professionals specializing in crafting visually stunning product videos, you'll get engaged customers and increased sales. In Product Video Studio, we use advanced equipment like top-of-the-line camera gears to create attention-grabbing product videos that truly deliver the essence of your products. Working with us is easy. Simply send us your products and we will take care of the entire process until you're satisfied with the video. Now, let's look at Fujifilm's product lineup to understand those that have not undergone updates recently. Fujifilm's GFX series has achieved remarkable success and is a preferred choice among creators seeking the performance of medium format photography. By looking at the product timeline, it becomes clear that GFX 100 is a prime contender for an update during this upcoming XSummit event. Also, a few months back, the GFX 100 was phased out from international markets. While B&H Photo still offers it as a special order item, Amazon and Adorama retain some units in stock. When all of these pieces of information are interconnected, it strongly suggests that a successor to the GFX 100 is indeed in the pipeline. To back this up even more, we got our hands on some rumored specs too. The most captivating info involves around the sensor, rumored to be an impressive 102 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. This promises to deliver unparalleled image quality and detail, making it a dream come true for those who seek the utmost in visual precision with extreme detail. Video capabilities are also taking a major leap forward with the GFX 100 too. If the leaks are to be believed, this camera will support 8K video, but that's not all. 4K video at 60 FPS is also expected, ensuring smooth motion and incredible clarity. The rumored 10-bit 4x2x2 recording adds an extra layer of richness to the color profile, providing professionals with more flexibility in post-production. But it looks like Fujifilm does not stop at just enhancements to the camera itself. Rumors suggest that the GFX 102 might come equipped with compatibility for an external cooling fan, a clever addition that could prove invaluable during extended shooting sessions, particularly in warm environments or for demanding video projects. Overheating was a major issue in the previous GFX model, so this time Fuji is making a real effort to fix that. While these spec leaks have generated significant excitement, it's important to remember that they are still rumors and subject to change till the announcement. During the upcoming event, we're also expecting some other releases from Fujifilm. These include the Fujinon GF55mm f/1.7 lens, as well as the Fujinon GF30mm and GF100mm f/5.6 tilt shift lenses. The event will cover a range of topics beyond these releases, containing updates about the Fujifilm XS20 firmware version 1.11 and the X app. Furthermore, details regarding the GFX Challenge Grant program will also go finally public. The winners of the 2022 GFX Challenge Grant, totaling 15 individuals, are approaching the completion of the respective projects right now. These artists are expected to finalize their creative projects by this August. With all these, the Fujifilm XSummit promises to be a significant event for camera enthusiasts, offering a multitude of exciting insights and updates. So are you excited about the event? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below and consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.